Ever pondered how to create your own website? Many people believe it's a complex process, but in reality, it's simpler than you might think. With a little bit of guidance and a few handy tools, you'll be on your way to creating a stunning online presence in no time. The first step towards creating your own website is to define your goal. Is it a blog, an online store, a portfolio? Defining your objective will shape the structure and content of your website. Now, once the goal is set, it's time to choose a domain name. This is your website's address on the web. It should be unique, easy to remember, and relevant to your site's purpose. Next up, we have web hosting. This is where all your website files will be stored. Different hosting providers offer various plans depending on your needs. It's crucial to choose a reliable provider with excellent customer service and uptime. With the domain and hosting ready, we now move to arguably the most exciting part: designing the website. There are several easy-to-use platforms out there such as WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace that offer pre-built templates. These platforms allow you to customize the layout, colors, and fonts to match your brand or style. Content is king. Now that the structure of your website is in place, it's time to add content. Make sure to create high-quality, relevant content that aligns with your website's goal. Remember to include important pages like About Us, Contact Us, and Services or Products. Don't forget to optimize your website for search engines. This includes adding meta tags, creating a sitemap, and using keywords appropriately. Search engine optimization, or SEO, will help your website rank higher in search results, making it easier for people to find you. Once you're happy with your website, it's time to hit publish. But remember, a website is a living entity that needs regular updates and maintenance. Keep your content fresh, update your SEO, and respond to any comments or queries your visitors may have. To recap, start by defining your website's goal. Choose a unique domain name and secure reliable web hosting. Design your website using a platform like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace. Fill it with high-quality, relevant content and optimize it for search engines. Once you're satisfied, hit publish, but remember to maintain and update your site regularly. In the grand scheme of things, creating a website is a journey that begins with a single step: defining your goal. It's a journey that involves creativity, strategy, and a bit of technical know-how. But with the right tools and guidance, anyone can create a stunning website. So, why not start your journey today?